Okay, because young convonyana, look. So vandaag I'm here to clarify some of the things Sano trend and Sano Guzo, some of the ladies say. I was working got retail, so you know what ladies say about guys from the retail who are baratabanya. So I'm here to set the record straight about it. I know the bros are gonna hate me for this, but
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
hey, gents, some of the things now our media buyers expose about myself. But to be fair and clear with you, when I'm here to talk about the thing you would see, boys from retail Maratabanya, which is true. It's true, man. It's true. Why should I lie? It's true. So what usually happens there is weekdays. See weekdays. Weekdays, yeah, you're gonna see probably Funion. Weekend. Let's talk about the weekend. You'll know the weekend wins a lot a shop. Any retail, you know. I'm not lying on this part. So what happens is weekend, the bros I used to work with, we used to call weekends uh UEFA. But namhlanje UEFA namhlanje UEFA. So kuzobe khona ama-player from Dubai, from Imvela, from Premier League, you get La Liga, yabo into ezikanjalo sibiza nge-UEFA because it's a premium stock day. Into ezingena weekend. Yes, yes. I mean, encouraged to download this video because I'm long past that. That's not a thing I used to do. Like the gillis thing when I used to download these things. You see, the gillis thing. I'm a lover boy. I'm a lover boy. When I'm in a relationship, I don't approach anyone. I don't do that. I don't do that. So, what usually used to happen there? Saturday, not early Saturday, not from 11 until late. Hi. So, things that used to happen. Alright, you know, this thing, let's show match. I'm gonna talk about it on the another video. Because, yeah, you know, the bros I used to work with, uh, the thing we used to do is that uh, when you work at retail kuyafunwana. Niyazi lapha kuba nyakanyaka kuba ngathi kuse high school. So me and my bros didn't want stores as the shop. We wanted the premium store, customers, and firstly we knew that this was risky. Ne, was this thing shooting? I could be talking and they get better. Yeah, it is. So we want customers. We knew it was risky because the customer can say, "Hey, that guy harassed me. Nabatla on Shela, and she's talking about this. Next thing you are losing your job." But we died. We risked. We took every risk. But We never scored. We never scored. I remember one of my bros. Uh, most of the ladies they used to take his numbers. Never, never texted, never called, ever. That bro used to be lucky with them, man. Not lucky, like it's his thing. He'll talk with the mom, and then the mom says, "Yeah, let me take your number." And after that, it's chat. And he used to cry about it. Like, no, I'm scam. Don't allow it, scam. And I used to say, yeah, it is what it is, dog. It happened to me once. What the? Hmm. Yeah, I don't know if I should talk about this, but this day, same weekend. Oh, you getting, Tonto Shop sponsors us out. So I'm doing my job. The next thing, there's someone who needs help. I'm like, okay, someone. And she's like, ooh, why are we here? So I'm like, whoa. Hold on, eh? We just arrived, sis. What kind of help do you need? No, I need you to dollar this for me. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna dollar it. Next thing, I'm being touched. Daibo, mama, what the fuck? The next thing, she's like, why are you looking like this? How am I looking? Now you're too handsome. I'm like, why are you looking like this? Obvious, as a bro. No, and I watch it when I'm like someone who buys us. So I'm like, don't you want to be by me to understand why I'm like this? And she's like, no, you seem like someone who would break my heart. I'm like, cut. Next thing, she's like, I must take your numbers. Then comes another customer, blue customer. Say, you must help him first. Then you I'm like, hey, man, is this an alley hoop? Is this an alley hoop? I'm like, okay. I operate with the brew. Next thing I'm back to her, she says, nah, you're supposed to take my number. I have my phone, I'm like, nah, I'm not allowed to. And and by that time, I'm relevant. I'm allowed to touch a phone, go flow. So I'm like, I'm like, you I'm not allowed to carry my phone. So you take mine. And she's like, yeah, put them in. Yeah, put them in. The next thing, there's another customer who wants help. Then she says, how? And then she asks those customers, aren't we going to be a great couple? I'm like, shit. And next thing, and then she's like, don't mind me talking like this. I'm a bit drunk. They hear that. I hear some strawberry lips, something they by you. But hi, Rasi, I can hear it because you are talking to me. So she says, I'm drunk. So, okay. I went to take these numbers. Then after more, she disappears. Things that happen go short. Some others, they sang that TikTok trend. I'm in love with somebody who doesn't even know my name. Like, and I used to was drunk again and be like, I'm not hearing anything. I think by then I was dating. I didn't. My it's like the dollar what they needed then was out of the work. So things that happened, they oh you see there's this one. This one, yeah, it was that single time. That one again. Africa buy me. I'm like, damn. Okay, damn. And then she she takes the first eye and then comes back with the other one. I'm like, no man, no man. I'll be a damn fool if I don't fetch this one. The other man was like, ah. And you know one thing about words, sometimes they fly out, and you end up not knowing what to say. Yeah, it happens, and I'm saying it because I'm feeling otherwise as if I'm that. Yeah, Himati, yeah. I'm him, but we gotta face the truth. Yeah, already. Sometimes I think it's according to the person you meet. Cause one, oh, but hey, as he got up, we spoke. I think my approach was bad. Then she gave me her numbers. Manyana that's very iPhone. I think that was iPhone 13 or something. Ah yeah, there goes me. Let me take your numbers. Techno Spark 7. I think that's where I lost my all my credit stock, my aura. So yeah, took her numbers. Then after that, tried texting. I was never replied. Then she came back again because Nadula Haufi around. She came back. I asked her for a bit. I did text you. You didn't reply, and she was like, she took off. She took your phone out and then say we checked. Where are you? I didn't see your text. I'm seeing there. My text is not there, but I know for a fact again for real again at the lead. So I had to read between the lines. Stop. I read between the lines. Then I had to let her go because who am I to force someone to like me if they don't? I'm not doing that, bro. I'm not doing that. And then even the older ones. The problem about the older ones that they always fight with their men. So I would I'd compliment something going. I'm like, be like, oh, so what? That's what I turned it to you up. And that one, that's my. She didn't want to talk. She didn't want to talk. She was like, then, cause I understand every language. If you're giving me signals, if you speak in quotes, I can understand. So she was like, Elena, you want it? I said, cheetah. And I was like, okay. So I had to step back on some of the things that used to happen. Because obviously, they say you must speak with the customer guy and show interest. So my interest, no, I'm has now. So the woman would smile or blush or laugh by sight to none, and then the bro, the bro's not liking that. And the fact that I'm a small boy. So it's going to be a long ride for sister doing. Semtshela nje ukuthi wahle wancinciswa yintwana encane nje kwenze njani wena. So that's some of the things that happen because kungena every cake you can think of there. Yeah, that's why we used to call it UEFA because I you'd see when working every take you would see like yeah. So I can. That's why I say yes. I, if you are dating some bro from retail, I don't say all of the bros are like that. No, I'm not like that too. Hence, I said I was doing that because yeah, I think it was that time when I was single and looking for yeah, I'm trying to mingle, I'm trying to mingle. So I'll shoot from here and there, and then no shot in. I wouldn't score anything, and I've never. So yeah, might be that the person is shocked, man. What? So I never scored, but I did try. So that's why I come here and tell you that if you see otherwise, hooray, that guy